Hamilton Park.
Hey y'all, today is 11. Oh my gosh, can you believe this? Alright, I just made a video because that's today. I have no school today. Woohoo! Sorry, my hair messed up. I just like woke up. Well, I didn't just wake up, but yeah, I like the song. Y'all gotta hear it. So I don't know if y'all can hear it, but
Hamilton Park. This here is from A-Town to Uptown. I see you L7 Rail Records. So that Shawty know where to go to get the real shit. When you hear it, nigga, you can feel it. Straight A-Town, Southside, shot it at me. When the beat drop, everybody go me. My influence with that jam pone and that L with J shit. I think I was the one that invented the remix. Think not fired it, bitch.
I can't make you understand, cause girl, I don't understand why I'm such a fool. Should've been a much better man, cause you went and reached out your hand when you saw I was bruised. When you came, I was lost, I was down. My heart was broken, I was on the ground. You protected my heart from the rain, but I didn't give you the same. I'm so sorry. Sorry for letting my heart to you. Sorry for the steel I put you through. Sorry for my issues on trust.
what? Anyway, that's a good song by Hamilton Park. They called us Remix. It is a very good song. Anyway, my 11 wish is to meet mom's behavior. That's my 11 wish. And what else? Oh, y'all guys, check it out. Look what I got. Wow. These are some very good cookies. I love these cookies. Now this is a Reese's though. Everybody love Reese's. I mean, who don't love Reese's? I mean, Reese's are delicious. Anyway, my phone is old. I need a new one. It's a good picture of me though. Look. Oh no, wait. It's that way. That is a good picture of me. Oh, and I like Hated by Miranda Brooks. It's like, I don't like her. I'm a hater. That's a good song. Anyway, well, that was my 11 wish. I mean, 11. Whoa, I just put like too many 11s on that. Anyway, happy Veterans Day. And pretty much that's it. Bye. That's it. Anyway, follow me on Twitter. Valley is mindless. Like me on Facebook. They're gonna be famous Valley Revis. What else? That's pretty much it. I don't have MySpace, y'all. Anyway, bye. Ringtone signing off.